So let's start with who you are and what you do.
So my name is Rakhil. I work as a product manager, senior product manager in a company called RWS. We are into translation management systems and content management systems. So it's been close to 8 years of product management experience so far.
A year down the line, career-wise, aspirationally, where do you see yourself? Like, do you want to fast-track your career, or do you want to start your own venture?
Yeah, I'm not so oriented on what I should be doing in 1-2 years, but basically what I'm trying to do is skill myself at this point of time. I see that there are a lot of things more that I need to learn about product management and various aspects of it. So as I gain more experience there, I'm sure that I'll get to know what I'll be doing. But yes, there is a lineage towards entrepreneurship as well.
So I see here that you have done a certification from IIM Calcutta. So after that, what motivated you to choose the executive program in IPL?
So I did that around 6 to 7 years back. What I found lacking in that is there was no campus immersion there. It was just 1 week. So I really did not get to meet people and do proper co-networking there. And I think that is where IPL differs a lot. Here I'm meeting people, like just today I met at least 10 to 15 of my colleagues, and I got to know a lot of things about product management and other fields from them. And this is exactly the experience I'm looking forward to through IPL.
Okay, thank you. That's it.